Imagine building your own remote-controlled car, smart, powerful, and built from scratch using the all-new Raspberry Pi 5. But this isn't just another DIY project, this is a robotics-grade build. Provided by robu.in, the latest Pi 5 and active cooler, today we're going full throttle, so stick around till the test drive. Huge thanks to robu.in for sending the stars of this build, Raspberry Pi 5 8GB and the official active cooler. Let's take them out. Here's a better look. The new Pi 5 is noticeably faster and more capable than Pi 4. It packs ARM Cortex-A76 processor running at 2.4 GHz, 8GB LPDDR4X RAM, PCI Express slot, and dual 4K display HDMI output. The cooler, speed-controlled fan with aluminum heat sink compact form, perfect for robotics build like ours. Let's install the cooler using the JST connector. It plugs into the fan 4-pin JST-SH connector on Raspberry Pi and snaps cleanly over the SoC. Let me walk you through the rest of the components. This is a pre-assembled MDF chassis, rigid, lightweight, and cut by hand. BO motors are mounted and wires pre-soldered. Here's the rest of the components one by one. L298N motor driver, twin-channel H-bridge. FS-I6X controller with the FS-IA10B 10-channel receiver. LM2596 buck converter to supply clean 12 volts to the driver. Custom 12 volts lithium-ion battery pack with BMS protection. Also added, SanDisk 16GB SD card for the Pi. And here's the full kit: Pi, controller, chassis, and of course, wheels. Everything ready to go. Let's assemble. We begin with mounting the wheels onto BO motors using tiny bolts. This locks them in during motion. Here's a quick test: smooth roll, minimal resistance. Motor driver goes at the back of the chassis, secured with bolts. connected before mounting for easy access. The L298N sits snugly underneath, and there's enough ground clearance for indoor surfaces. Next, solder a connector to the buck converter for clean plug-in. Adjusted output to 12 volts using a screwdriver and multimeter. Power from the buck goes to the drivers plus 12V and GND. Female jumpers are prepped for IN1 to IN4, ENA and ENB. And extra jumpers are wired for 5 volts and GND, to connect to the Pi safely and establishing ground reference point. To avoid shorts, we insulated bolt heads of the motor driver mounting bolts with hot glue. Battery pack sits firmly on top, glued for stability. The buck converter is mounted right behind the driver board on the back side of the chassis. Connecting the FS-IA-10B receiver to the Pi using female jumpers. The iBus signal goes to the GPIO pin on Pi, and will be interpreted via Python during the software phase. We'll test inputs before diving into code, but that's in the later part of video. Motor driver is now wired to the Pi. For connection diagram and setup for Pi, stay tuned for our full detailed article on our blog. Mounting Pi and receiver on the chassis and with this car is now ready for final testing. Let's check if the Pi is receiving data from the controller. GPIO pins from Pi 5 control the speed and direction using PWM. You can see the motor responses syncing with our input. No lag, solid response, exactly how a real RC system should behave. Now comes the fun part, let's drive. Starting with table tests, tight space, light torque control. Perfect for indoors or classroom demos. Now let's hit the floor, more space, more power. The Pi 5 handles wireless commands flawlessly, and official active cooler, keeping thermals in check without a hitch. This was one exciting build. Massive thanks to robu.in for powering it with the Pi 5 and active cooler. If you're into robotics, IoT, or anything Raspberry Pi, Robu's store is where you should head. If you like this build, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what feature you want next, maybe a camera or ultrasonic upgrade.